What if someone gave you a gift, but instead of opening it up, you just tossed it in the closet? Maybe you thought, I don't know what to do with this gift. Or, nah, I don't really need this. However, what if there was something really special inside, but you would never know until you open the box? Whoa. Well, let's see what's inside. There are two little boxes. One, has some bling. Okay, now we're talking. We've got a necklace that actually matches my outfit. There we go. Very cool. Oh, and some matching earrings to complete the ensemble, because sometimes it's okay to have more than one gift because you can pair them together. Let's see if I can talk and put in earrings at the same time. And you could have a great combination. I do this all the time with coaching clients to help them with their business career or their ministry. But wait, there's more. There's another bigger box with something even more sparkly. All right. Huh? That's pretty razzle dazzle. Hey, you're never too old to sparkle. So I could put that on as well. Might be a little bit too much for some, but hey, it could work. But see, you would never know what was inside that box and what gifts you were given because you discounted them or you just didn't feel like opening things up to find out what's really inside. Obviously, I'm not talking about jewelry here. I'm talking about the gifts and talents that God has given you or the assignment that He gave you for this season. If you ignore it, this is what happens. The box is empty. Do you know why? Because if you don't act on that and move things forward and honor those gifts or that assignment, God may just give it to someone else. Talk about regifting. Now, if you're thinking about, well, I've got some things in place, but I'm not really sure, now's the time to start putting things together. The world needs the gifts that you are carrying. Now more than ever, it is not time to shrink back or play small. It's time to step it up and be bold. If you need some help or reach out, my contact info will be at the end of this video. And if you want to know what's really was inside of this box and the story behind it, stay tuned. Here we go. This is actually an antique box that my husband purchased for me at an antique shop / gift shop. And inside was a message. There's a note here about what this box really is. I thought it was a jewelry box, right? See, sometimes you can get gifts that might be different than what you expected. Hello. And it says here, this is a 1950s cedar box, most likely filled with candy, and had a punch board. Boys would buy the punches for probably 5 or 10 cents. And if you got the right punch, you won the box. And that means a really good gift from the girl. Fill it with candy and pass it on. And it's signed by all these different people. So I guess it was passed on quite a bit. Hey, this might be worth something. Maybe I can take it to Antique Roadshow or something and have them appraise it. So sometimes your gifts are worth way more than what you think, but you'll never know until you open them up, use them, and give it a try. Till next time, keep the faith, my friends, and keep on rocking.